Hey, what is up? Imprint Customs Mural Project. Dito tayo ngayon sa tapat ng Cherry. Ang ino-offer nga pala nila is mga stuff, mga helmet, yung mga pwedeng pagkagastusan sa motor. Kasama natin ang 4 na member ng Mural Boys. Okay, so panlima ako dun. Isa lang gagawin nating wall ngayon. Ito. Ayan. Wala pa rin si Ronnie. So alam niyo na, personal problems ngayon. Pero okay lang. Nandito naman yung grupo. At nagihintay lang tayo ngayon ng confirmation dun sa client para mapag-start na tayo. Ayun, ongoing yung preparation natin dito. At sige. Sorry. Target natin matapos to ngayong araw. Challenge lang for today. Sobrang pero palag-palag naman to. Makikita nyo mamaya kung ano yung gagawin namin. Basta sobrang makulay niya at gege.
Yeah. Sometimes I get so mad, there's no controlling me. My thoughts get so bad, I'm like, I might grab a bat, I don't know. My wrath, my blood boils over like, oh God, here goes. I lost all feeling from my head to my toes. You said some shit that I can't let go, so just stay tuned for the rest of the show. So have you ever felt betrayed? Switches how you see things, realize something needs change. Cause I know you got me f***ed up. Let me show you what's up. Cause enough is enough. I'll take a face full of pavement just to make a statement. I know there's no turning back.
Tangina mo.
Hey, what's up?
Hello?
Banana ketchup! Bottoms up!
So ayun na nga mga Mari, nabali mo si Daniel. Hindi nakakain ng ano.
Maraming salamat
Balot.
sa haring araw at pinagbigyan tayo ng panahon at nawala na ang init. Tignan nyo ako, sunog na ako. Ganito talaga ang buhay sa laot. Kaya nga, buti na lang marami kaming huli. Kung hindi kami dapat talaga magpapahuli. Kasi alam niyo naman sa panahon ngayon, di ba? Tapos yung kapitbahay, yung tapon ng basura, pambihira mga mare. Hey, that is it. Let's go.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things